Want to run effective Scrum sessions? Start with a clear agenda. It sets expectations and keeps everyone focused. During the daily stand-up, keep it brief. Each member shares what they accomplished yesterday, what's next, and any blockers. This keeps the energy high and the conversation relevant. Timeboxing is key. Whether it's sprint planning or retrospectives, stick to the allocated time. It respects everyone's schedule. In sprint reviews, invite constructive feedback from stakeholders. This fosters collaboration and makes everyone feel valued. During retrospectives, focus on actionable insights. Use the start-stop-continue method to encourage open dialogue. This helps the team evolve and adapt, making each sprint more effective than the last. Remember, as a Scrum Master, you're a facilitator, not a dictator. Empower your team to take ownership. Foster a safe environment where team members can express their thoughts. Psychological safety leads to innovation. Use visual aids like Kanban boards to keep progress visible. It helps spot bottlenecks early on. Celebrate achievements, big or small. Recognition boosts morale and keeps the team motivated. Want to enhance your Scrum sessions? Start implementing these tips today and watch your team thrive.